I'm the Tom West with Quicksilver Liners, and I love dumptrucks.com, and I'm here today to talk to you about slippery. What's that mean? Let's put it to you this way. What's outside of this box is your business. What's inside this box is my business.
Here, some people ask, what are these bags?
And today, what we're gonna wide line before it goes. We're gonna talk to you about the load releasing and knowing that you've got comfort and security knowing that I'm in your box. If you're going down the road with a Quicksilver or DuraPro or HAULK in your box, it's like having your guardian angel riding with you.
Dispatch to Dell, you got it on?
Yeah, go ahead, blow up, Betty.
Dell Bates, boss man says go get trailer 69. That's the one with the Quicksilver in it. That's the only one that'll release that clay. Come back.
Well, thank God somebody's got their head on straight. At least the clay will come out with the Quicksilver compared to them other trailers is lined with garbage bags. Come on. Hey Dale, it's Ricky. Yeah, go ahead. How much clay you want in that bucket? Fill her up. I got 69 with the Quicksilver in it. Come back. Okay, I'll go get you loaded. Yeah, 10. I'm on my way to go get it.